Hey everyone, I hope you're all still safe and well. I'm in a different location this week, so apologies if it's a bit noisy, but I'm going to get right into it. So what we've seen in the past week or two is a lot of more buyer confidence in the market, especially in those properties priced at below $1.5 million. I'm hearing a lot of those properties getting multiple offers and actually getting into escrow at pre-COVID market value, which is a big change in what we were seeing in the weeks before that. So I think for those buyers that were trying to get a really good deal in that category below $1.5 million, I think those days are gone. I think there's still enough activity now where in that sub $1.5 million range, the prices are going to get back up to pre-COVID market value. Now, what's also interesting to note is that in the past 24 hours on the MLS, there's been 177 new listings. That's high. That's definitely high for a typical Wednesday in a normal market. So I think the sellers and the agents are really seeing this buyer activity and they're now putting their properties on the market. And a good indicator as why there's buyers out there now is that mortgage applications have increased. If you take a look at this article from CNBC, which just came out today, May 13, mortgage applications for buyers actually jumped up 11% from the previous week. But I can see those applications rising week over week as we continue through May. Now, of course, that is fueled by how low the interest rates are right now. They did go up a little bit over the past week or two, but at the same time, currently a 30-year fix is 3.57. 30-year fixed jumbo, which is what most buyers would get here in LA because the prices are so high, is 3.68%. Okay, now we'll check out the market stats. Homes for sale, well, of course, not many homes on the market. 37,000, big drop compared to April last year. It was actually 51,000, almost 52,000. Now, of course, closed sales would take a huge hit. Anything that closed in April, more than likely went into escrow in March. 9,700 versus April last year, where it was close to 15,000. So that's pretty much a third less of what sold in April last year. So now we'll check out the median sales price for April this year, 530,000. But believe it or not, it's actually higher than what it was last year, which is 522,000. Of course, as I mentioned before, the properties that closed in April usually go into escrow in March. COVID happened mid-March. So to get a real indication of the effect of COVID, I think when we see the May figures, that'll really show us a lot more. And just a slight caution before I wrap up in relation to the loan forbearance program the Fed is offering. Now, some banks will note this as a ding on your credit score, some won't. Again, as I said before, just check with your lender. But what I'm hearing from a lender in town is that you'll have this loan forbearance on your file permanently. It'll be in this like little comments section when an underwriter is going through your file. So the advice from them is if you're looking to refinance or you're looking to get a new mortgage in 2 years' time, don't do the loan forbearance because that could severely impact the rate you get or even getting the loan itself. That's all for this week. If you have any questions, of course, reach out and definitely stay safe.